Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. Today we are carrying this little guy. This is the Trivisa Boots. It has a blade length of 2.32 inches, 14C28N blade steel, black stonewash finish. It's a sheep's foot. Jade G10 handles with a reversible pocket clip. These G10 handles are textured, very grippy. You've got some nice jimping up here on the blade. Overall, this comes in at 5.44 inches and 2.09 ounces. It's a liner lock. One hand operation, no problem. Has a nice sound on deployment. Just a great little fifth pocket carry. All right, folks. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.